Nowadays, people want to become independent due to a lot of reasons. So, hi, this is Arshita, and this is day 9 of Speaking English series. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you why do I want to become an independent girl. So, independency. What this what does this word mean? This word give you independence, gives you a feeling of confidence and growth. Definitely, when India was under, Britishers, they had no freedom, no freedom. But on 15th August 1947, India got independence, and by independence, they understood the meaning. What is this? Independence is something which we want, especially women. Look, previously, in the ancient world, or in, I don't know, before, people, it was patriarchal society, and nowadays it is a patriarchal society. But when it comes to, nowadays, women are aware of, these things. Before, women were not. Women were thinking that whatever is going on, let's just go with the flow. We will not criticize, we will not do anything. But now, women want, from the previous years, or you can say back in 90s, women used to get criticized a lot. Due to that reason, I think women got reservation. Nowadays they get it, but that is not the point. Why women want to become an independent woman? They want to be, they want to, they want to become independent because they want growth in life. Actually, why I want so that I want independence due to a lot of reasons. Like, so, like men, I can also make my own decision. I can give my opinion to in front of people. I can, keep my own perspective to them. I can criticize when something is wrong. Why I want independence? I want because I want to grow in life. I want to feel confident. I can help my parents, my family financially. I want to become financially independent because I saw my mom and dad how they struggle while earning money. Nowadays, government bodies are not giving that thing that people want nowadays. Like, my father is working for, my father is an assistant teacher, and his salary is very minimum. And nowadays, for, you know for food, nowadays expenses are a lot. Petrol is getting expensive, and the food is getting expensive. The all the material is going to is going is widely expensive. I know. So my father faces, but he never, you know show us shows us the that side of him, that I am frustrated, I am something like that. No, I want to be an independent girl for them, especially for my mom. In this society, people people are very judgmental. If someone is doing a good thing, they are getting criticized. I am giving you an example. One of my friends, I will not reveal the name for sure. Or I'm giving you an real, I'm giving you a real example. That is, if someone is doing good in, you know, social media, the family, the that particular family is taunting her about that social media, that you're uploading videos, and what can you do from that. I know now we are very in a very small level, but now slowly we will also, you know, get higher and higher views and everything. So yeah, I'm not working for views, I'm working on myself nowadays so that I can be confident. So I was talking about independency, not going to, you know, divert from my topic. So yeah, independent independency for me is something I listened throughout my school life, that child, you have to be an independent girl. You have to be, my mom says, child, you have to be an independent girl. You should not be like us. If you want to be like us, do not study. This is the very easy work, but when the path you're going through, that is difficult, and you have to choose that path, because I have never, wait a minute. So yes, it is very needed for women. It is for girls. It is very important that you are independent financially, emotionally, physically, practically, every perspective we have to be independent. Independency comes, I mean, when I was a child, actually, I didn't listen about independency because I was living in a village. But when I came to a district town, I came to know about my teacher always always said to me to be independent. He always used that word independency, independent, not in decision making only, in you know, if achieving goals. I want to be independent in achieving, you know, finance, and I mean, I want to become an independent girl for myself, for financially as well. I know if I will be independent, my mother, my parents will also be independent. My mother will not see the price tag while taking a cloth. Nowadays, when I go with her to the market to shop something, she always sees on price tags, and I, that time I felt like, I feels like, I feel like why I am here. I just I just don't like that time. I want to contribute to my society, to my family. I want to contribute. If like, look, if you are financially independent, or if I am financially independent and I can make decision in that, people will inspire from me. People will can take a decision that if she is doing that, then I can do as well. So independence is very very important. Please try to understand, when you are studying, when the place where you study, take a sticky note and write, I want to be an independent girl or boy for this reason, for that reason. Then that time you will not be back, you will not see behind that, I just don't want to do this time, I will do tomorrow. That will not have option. You have no option, definitely no. So yeah, try to understand why you want to become an independent girl or boy, why we want that. Nowadays, women, people are into are getting success in a lot of fields like science, technology, and agriculture, and bank, in every field. So like them, I just want to become independent, and by by the by independency, you will also inspire you you can pursue your own, you can live your life on your conditions, on your perspectives. I can definitely sure. So yes, if I'm not able to make this video, please, properly, please just, you know I cannot do anything. I'll definitely make videos from tomorrow in a better way, because a lot of chaos is going on in this house and I'm not able to make videos properly. You can see from my previous videos, and please ignore the all the sounds, you if you are getting it. Definitely please try to understand. And yes, I'm very tired now, and I I really want to make a good video for you. But yes, definitely, for today's, I'll only post 10 to 15 minutes, the video of 10 to 15 minutes only. And yes, so let's go further. So yes, independency. Note down, why do you want to become an independent girl or boy. You should know about independency. If you're not aiming something, you will have aim after that. If you will think about independency, if you will think about the society, how brutal they are, you will be like, I want independence. I want to be an independent girl or boy. Definitely. Because nowadays from news we can know from that how women or girls or boys are getting criticized. Look, only girls are not getting criticized, or only boys are not getting criticized. Both, they are getting criticized. But when we compare both of them, then we will know about women are getting criticized more. So yes, so I want to make positive, impact on the society. So yes, definitely this, I think that is it for this video. I should not make go further. I'll definitely try to make it better. So yes, now I'll take a leave and subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe it now. And one more thing I want to say to you, that if you want a video related to the career, then let me know in the comments. So bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.